Mike, no matter the 3-0, you came back and you came really strong. How about tonight?
Listen, when you're in a disadvantage and you know you have an opportunity to win, you go play your hardest. And this is what we did today. And we knew that if we all stepped up as a team, our chances would be very good today. So everybody did their part today. They did what they was told, and we came away with a very important victory. But you know, from the experience that I have, nothing is finished. We have to go protect our home court, and our only focus right now is on Sunday.
Mike, did the Hollywood tonight?
I mean, listen, of course. I mean, we know we have possibility to play every team in Europe. You know, Olympiacos is also one of the best teams in Europe, and we've, you know, played in difficult places in Europe. As you guys know, the road to the Final Four, we had to go to Barcelona, which is one of the toughest places to play in Europe. Same as Seth. So we just kind of put ourselves in that same position as we did in Barcelona, and we wanted to try to break the advantage today.
What about the next game? Because it's going to be another decisive game.
Of course, game 2 is always important. We know we still have to be ready. We have to be focused. We know that they're capable of winning at Oahu. I mean, they showed that earlier in the season, and we want to try our best to make sure that doesn't happen again, so we can really take control of the series.